Hello, everybody. I might be flop dito ngayon sa TikTok because of all the violations, y'all. However, did you guys listen to Mayhem? I'm still. Let's wait for people, bitch, because like my brain is so. It's. I don't know. Hello, my loves. How are you guys? I don't know if maano atashi DTS because the violations are violating. What time is it? 2 a.m.? Ano ba to? Sayang di ako nakabili ng Molino 2 ng ticket. What? What is the chika over here? Anong tawag sa mangga pag niyakap mo? Don't talk to me like that. Don't fucking talk to me like that. I have a question. What's your question, babes? Manggang hinag. I told you not to talk to me like that. I told you not to talk to me like that, babes. Hello, tulog na. Yes, matutulog na ako because parang not really. But we filmed a reaction video for Mayhem. Tagal ko din nag-TikTok, so I don't know about this gig right now. Hello, hello, hello. Bitch, my brain cells right now. Parang naano pa ako sa Mayhem. Everybody stream Mayhem right now and tell me your thoughts. DM me your thoughts. I need to know. I need to know what people think. May, thank you so much for the roses, my love. I feel like ikaw yung first na gift. Go. Maraming salamat. Who am I rooting for season 17? I'm not watching. I'm sorry. I'll watch when I'm about to meet the girls, okay? What do y'all think about Mayhem? Did you guys listen to Mayhem? If you didn't listen, it's on every streaming platform. I don't know what to feel. I don't know what to feel, y'all. I don't know what to fucking feel right now. Bitch, ang chips diin. Ang ganda ng lighting ng room right now because it feels so filtered. But it's not. You know, I also put my Gaga mole because... And this makeup. Runway vibes. Mayhem vibes. Ano? Sobrang Jolina. Curicability. Anong chika dito is? What's your... Bitch, wait up! That was an interesting question. What's your favorite track? Abracadabra talaga, girl. Because the fucking choreography. I'm still not over the choreography. Mama, we're probably gonna film a TikTok right now for Abracadabra. Go. So obsessed with your face card. Thank you. I wanna put this on for the drama. You know. Tapos hindi nakikita yung nilagay ko na moleche. Wait lang, hold up. Ang tagal ko din nag-live dito. Oh my God. Paano po maging kagan... What? 90,000. Tagal ko din nag-live dito. Oh my God. And probably people are asleep too. Anong date sa bong? What?
Asada.
Oh my God, may gig pala ako bukas. Please, dear goddess, you to kiss me. Are you hot? Laro ka, ma. Pakaganda mo. Thank you. Nag-film kami ng reaction video that will be uploaded sa YouTube ko. Please. I hope ma-upload ko na siya. Pilitin nyo yung manager ko siya mag-i-edit. I'm good. We're just eating chips. I'm good. I'm great. Oh my God, Sarthop. I love that. Chatting about Mayhem and RuPaul's Drag Race. Slay. Thank you for the rose. I don't know, Marielle.
Mas maano mo.
I wanna see myself. Charot lang. Art Beast, thank you for the rose, my love. Kanto di Lilo, please. I'm gonna be there April. We're gonna be there April.
15, 16.
I don't know the dates, but I will be there. Busy pa ako mag-think of the dates, okay? Napansin ni John Fideliaga yung com ko, di ako makatulog. Okay, what am I gonna do with that information? Charot. Miss Yudi, my thesis kami about lived experiences of drag artists. Baka pwede ka ma-interview. This March, I can't. Too busy. Too many on my plate. Thank you. March 30. Ano meron sa March 30? Slaycation.
Laguna.
Still Laguna, my loves. Mabat ang puti mo. Actually, I'm like 3 times light darker than before. 3 times or 2 times OA ng 3 times. But yeah, I got a tan. So, thank you for the gifts, my love. What's up, Yuri? What's up is nagre-recover pa ako sa Mayhem. What about you guys? Did you guys listen to Mayhem? Listen to Gaga's album right now. Listen to Gaga's album right now and DM me your thoughts. Ano height? 5'7"-ish. Ikaw po crush ko kapag out of drag ka. Are you saying I'm ugly in drag? What the fuck? Charot. Ready na siya for Mayhem. I've already listened to it. Kira Ashley, thank you so much for the fire. Atake ka dyan. Yeah, I know. Papansin is today. Shadow of a Man, favorite song. We're listening. Okay, magba-background noise tayo ng ano, Mayhem ko. Ulit na di ba Bacolod? I want to, bilan ba ako ng ticket? I wanna go to Bacolod, I wanna meet my friends, I wanna be with my friends. Pero totoo ba, ikaw din yung parang mukhang babae sa Drag Race? Subong kita kay Angel at kay Bench. Ano pinagsasabi mo? Are you saying they're not fish? Charis. Hindi ka dyan katalaka face mo. So, thank you. Ang arte, leche. Nilugin ko sarili ko eh. What's your favorite song from Mayhem? Please tell me. Abracadabra. I don't give a fuck. The choreography was too fire. Though, I want Blade of Grass. I fuck with it. Stay tuned sa video namin. It's gonna be uploaded like what? Tomorrow. So wala kang choice. You have to finish it tomorrow. Ganda ng card of you. This is so faggy. Hello guys. Sino top artist ko? Miss Gaga, of course. Is Lady Gaga your ultimate? Of course. Siya yung SS ko. Siya yung ultimate. Siya yung one of one. Well, they wanna see you sa Hacienda. Which one? Yours or mine? Charot. Nika, thank you so much for the gift. Kagwapa, thank you. The bigote is giving. I feel like she balances my face and it confuses the men and the girls. Alam mo, ang daming naglalandi sa akin na babae sa chat, in person, sa club. Masyadong homophobic, femphobic yung mga bakla, ha? Nahiinis ako. What's your favorite song from Mayhem? Abracadabra, period. What? When the child is D, but the final is God. Since I'm dead as a child. Right. Cause who hell wouldn't? I don't know about that. Girl, nilalandi ako ng malala ng mga foreigner na babae dun sa Siargao. What? Like, I'm so confused. Mahirap ba maging drag queen? Yes, because you need money, you need beauty, you need cunt, I guess. Charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent. RuPaul was not wrong. Sino favorite ko sa season 17? I don't watch. Nika, thank you so much for the gifts, my love. Do you listen to Slipknot?
Metal band.
I heard of them, but no. They sound so cool though. Mag-transform ka nga. Wala akong energy ngayon eh. Sorry, Sen. What can you say about trans women being included in Women's Month? They're great. They're women, so welcome to the club, I guess. How much po yung nagastos mo sa costumes na gamit mo? In Drag Race? In life? I don't want to talk about the Drag Race. Fiasco. How about Ariana's favorite song? Bitch. Daming magandang Ariana song. Wait. Pero right now, yung favorite Ariana song ko is Good Night and Go. Dedicated to my... Not ex. The fuck? Dedicated to my... current guy. Wala akong jowa. He's just my comfort guy. He's...
Boy.
He's my ano now. He's my Good Night and Go vibes. He's the sweetest guy. Oh, ng sweetest. I've experienced more sweet guys, but still. I'm your fan. Shout out naman dyan. Who are you? Ashraf. Shout out sa'yo, my love. Teo, thank you so much for the finger hearts. Pineso. What? If may magko-call sa'yo for all stars, what would you say? Fuck you, bitch. May hawig po pala kayo ni Mickey Bustos nung kabataan niya. Who the
Vlogger.
Is he hot?
Sobrang layo to. I don't know.
Ang layo daw. Hindi ko i-give. Yana Jens, thank you so much for the roses, my love. Did you guys listen to Mayhem? Puro kayo Drag Race. Napapagod ako sa Drag Race. Keme. Mag-walkout ako. Charis. Mayhem yung usapan. Ano pang to?
Perfect celebrity.
Perfect celebrity is today. Si Lady Gaga talaga kamukha. That's Drag Mother. Thank you. DDS po ba kayo? Do I look brain dead to you? Thank you, my Yudi. Of course, you're welcome, my love. Miss Yudi Puta, pagawa po ng D1 flexion at extension. Hold up. I forgot what's D1. Oh my god, is this and this? I'm not sure, my love. I forgot that I was a PT, honestly. I've been your fan since nung Drag Race. Period. And that is taste. You're very pretty. Thank you so much. And yan yung ambag ko sa season 3. Favorite Ariana album. Ang hirap naman ng mga questions na to. What do I like? Different vibes eh. So you can't really like... I don't know. Different vibes. I love the vibes ng each album, honestly. What? Napunta ka ba sa O-Bar when... Only when John is around. Thank you. Thank you sa mga tasteful John. Love that for you guys. How about you want me to sound like a Taylor song? Top 3 artist. Wanna see you sa 16.
Spanish into you.
Exactly. Bacolod ka subong no, I'm in Taguig. Shout out po si Jolo Arnan. Jolo Arnan, my love. A shout out sa'yo. Period. Thank you sa mga gifts, by the way. History of your name, please. Did you not watch the Meet the Queens? Charis lang.
Tama nga yung isang tweet na isang monster. I just say Mayhem was not what I was expecting at all. I thought it would be darker, grungier, but truly a mixed bag like what Gaga said. There's something for everyone, from the fame to Joanne stands. No?
Honestly,
Very that.
it's
So I didn't think
a
hindi lang tayo.
compilation,
So
yeah.
I'm so happy there. I think yun din naman yung natin. Like yung thoughts like it wasn't
It's
what
a
we
mix.
expected,
Exactly.
but still this ate.
I feel so catfished. This stupid ass bitch. Ara ka Bacolod? No, I'm in Taguig, my loves. What are y'all's fave at the moment sa Mayhem?
Can I share?
No. You're gonna watch our
Hello.
YouTube video. Charis.
My God.
That will be uploaded tomorrow. Go. Favorite Ariana album? Ang hirap kasi. It's a different vibe. I don't have an Ariana favorite album. They're all kind of kanti-kanti. Each album is a vibe. You can't compare. Yan ba yung nabili mo sa... Yes! Oh my God! Oh my God, akala ko live ni Ariana. Oh my God, yes!
Yeah.
Yeah. Charis! You thought it was Arianka, huh? Japan Surplus Review. What the fuck was that? Nadaanan namin kanina dito sa Taguig. I forgot the name. Parang wala siya name, honestly. Ito kasi yung story. Dahil hindi ko alam. Bakit hindi ko alam yung name? Because like, I just said sa tricycle driver na dalhin niya ako sa Japan Surplus Kineme. So, yeah. That. It's like along the road. Katabi ng Only Wings thing. And yes, I bought this one from the Japan Surplus Kineme. So, I needed to have this. This was like, what? 30 pesos. Ito. Perfect. Go. Hindi sa akin. Totoo lang. The Beast is Michael's De Cavalli tea. Love the necklace. Thank you. This is from my ex-boyfriend. Ex-fling. I don't know if he's my ex, but shout out to Salade. He was the sweetest guy. Nakatag siya sa IG ko if you want a necklace like this. He sells a lot. Pero I asked for this kasi ang cute. Luis, thank you so much for the rose, my love. Kinis mo ma, thank you. Ilonggo ka good. Oo, dahil nga. Paano maka-concert ka mo ba, Bacolod?
Stage na.
Soon. How was your MOA concert last March 4? What? Who performed March 4? Japan Circle's headpiece is giving. Thank you. Divine. Oh, or maybe I can just pull it up. I don't know how to wear this. I'm just wearing it. Thank you. Keshi ka daw, mi. Mukhang yummy nga si Keshi, honestly.
Nakakamukha mo daw.
Yeah. Everybody saying that si Keshi. Wait, did he go here? What the fuck? Wait, I fuck with this. What is this?
Killa.
Vibes. You know what Mayhem sounds like? No. You're gonna watch the video. Y'all gonna watch the YouTube reactions, y'all.
Editing.
Oh my gosh, eto pala siya.
Nakabalik ko lang. I'm so sorry.
Mag-upload na ako. Ito na, leche. Nakurap pa talaga yung Siargao files. I'm gonna kill Midterms mo? Bakit andito ka? Mama, go read a book. Akira, thank you so much for the rose, my love. Height reveal, 5'7". Ang ganda ng video niyo ni Mama John sa YouTube. Really? I haven't watched. I'm so sorry. Wala, di talaga ako nakapag-support ng sisters ko. But like, I reshare the everything, you know? Blink twice for Kiko Bam. Period. Ala, di ako nakakonfirm if I'm gonna perform there. I think wala akong time to perform. Kiko Bam. I can't do the Kiko Bam kasi may meet and greet ako. Speaking of, we're gonna have a meet and greet March 22 dito sa bahay. Housewarming siya for fans and for me. And you're gonna see all my, not my, all my clothes, OA ng all. You're gonna see some of my looks and my artwork and all the edits and the work of artists of me. So basically, it's Yudi's Hall of Fame. Yudi's Exhibit Kineso. Exhibit siya and meet and greet March 22. I'll see you guys there. Selling of tickets will be next week, and people are like already crazy for the tickets. But like, wait lang. Wait lang. Kasi ako lang mag-isa and my manager and my other friend yung nag-aasikaso. I mostly do everything myself. Exactly. Mayhem 1 to 10.
At the moment.
At the moment, it's like 7.5 to 8. Go. Akala ko live ni Mama. Alex Consani. Yes, this is her. This is her, Miss Fashion Model. I bleached my brows. Hindi pala dapat pakak yun. Dapat Pikachu pala. That's so corny. I live for it. Hindi pala dapat... Ulit. Gawin mo yung look ni Lady G, Abracadabra Mash. It's so... I don't wanna cosplay. I'm not a Gaga cosplayer. I'm Gaga's daughter, basically. I'm not a cosplayer. I'm not a Gaga impersonator. Wanna see you perform in Iloilo or Bacolod? I'm gonna be at Iloilo this April. Go grab your tickets. I'm gonna be Slaycation. Go. All your favorite queens are there. Confess mo siya. Perfect. That's mother. Meow, thank you so much for the rose, my love. Favorite untucked moment? Nung umiyak ako because out of brand choco. Thank you for the ice cream, Akira. Love that. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon sa meet and greet. It's like a little intimate fan and clothes meetup, you know? Hulaan ko branding mo, ma'am. Go. Top 5 art pop song. Hold the fuck up. Hirap naman yan. Oh my gosh. Kami... Ang daming maganda sa art pa.
I think Venus the same.
I really expected Venus to have a music video, but I feel like they fucked it up. Best drag queen ka ma. I know, right? Sasha Colby could never.
Well, they have the intro to the UD.
Ay, yeah. That is a cool.
It's like later.
Ay, ang intro ka video na yun. Meron ako to sa video, ang red.
Yeah.
Naging animate ko.
Okay, later.
Yeah. We're gonna upload a video finally sa channel ko this weekend.
We'll try tomorrow.
We'll try to upload it tomorrow.
Alright.
Tomorrow na go. When ka ba muli liwat sa Bacolod? Maybe this March. But I'm not sure. Kailan mo ba ako ng ticket? Uwi ako agad bukas. Char. Favorite book saan? In which aspect? In which timeline? But ini-stream mo na yung Mayhem? Meron na ba? Girly Pops, yes! Nag-leak na. Mayhem has leaked. What do you mean? Go na, stream Mayhem on YouTube and Spotify. I don't like to say it YouTube. It's so stupid. Yes, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the ice cream, my love. And the fire. Sino kumuha ng gamit? No. I'm not about to be ghetto up in this gig. Ano HRT mo, me? Glutathione tapos collagen. Speaking of, I'm like so tan right now. Ang puti ng mga foundation ko.
Oh my god, I
need to go back.
Cute. Masarap na collagen. Which one? Habib. So good.
Habib.
Kaya sa
Hindi ba?
collagen na din pala.
Gets. I'm so tan right now. Like, okay. OA ng so tan. But like, I'm so tan compared to before. Totoo, na malapit sa mata. Oo, bakit? Meow, thank you so much for the rose, my love. Thoughts kay Korean lyrics. What? What's your height? Why do you all wanna know? Englishara ka ba? Halata eh. Not really. Mas magaling na talaga ako mag-English compared sa Tagalog, I guess. Thank you, my love. I just watched Drag Race. I felt sad when you left. Okay. I was happy when I left. So, y'all don't be sad. I don't get the chance to go to Middle Kid last time. Hope to see you soon though. Bakit? Ang dami nyo hindi nakapunta tapos mag-inarte kayo sa chat and DMs, ha? What the hell? In fairness, sold out na naman yun. So parang... Favorite puksaan any season? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Ang dami eh. I'm gonna get popcorn. Go. Finally, naabutan kita. I'm always like on live 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. 2 to 4 a.m. I don't know. Lapit na birthday ni Acid. Perfect together. She's preparing a look. I hope so. Fave look on yourself currently. Yung airplane. Yeah. Yung airplane. I need to perform that again. Pero sobrang sakit sa katawan ng outfit na yun, honestly. But available ang Mayhem sa'yo. That's because I'm beautiful. Defense ko, ma'am, just current middle kid is da-da-da-da-da. Ang dami yung exam. I'm sorry that you didn't make it though. Next time. Sino favorite mo sa season 3, ma? Si Yudi. Parang pasabog siya. She could have been top 2. Ma, marami ka bang magiging gig ngayong... Yes. Too many that I don't wanna deal with it. We're gonna post soon yung poster. Oh my god, we should post it now, honestly. We're gonna post the rundown and summary of my gigs. Cause... ang dami. One down. Yung... Yeah, one down. So yeah, there's like, what? 7 more to go. 6 more to go. 6 more gigs to go. Bakla pagod. Yeah. Tagalin mo balbas mo. Sobrang Latina mo na. Soon. Kina-fantasy ko siya. I love my... fantasy niyo talaga sa akin, trans, no? Love Arzel. Thank you so much for the rose, my love. Paano maging maganda kahit walang makeup? Eat good, sleep well, drink water, avoid the sun. Period. You're so pretty. Thank you so much. Makeup tutorial soon. Love your looks always. You want this look? This is so easy, honestly. Isang send these bitches home. Charot. Send these bitches home because hindi sila marunong mag-comprehend. Period. Did I lie? Sorry, girls. Yung dalawa na branding mo, tas yung isang wala pa. What? Ano daw? Hi, baby. Hi, my love. How are you? Hi. Stream Mayhem. Go. Kamukha mo si Keshi. Yeah, I've been told. He's probably hot as fuck. Beautiful. Hot. Yummy. Gorgeous. Maria, thank you so much for the fire, my love. Super Latina. Maraming salamat. Pag wala to. Okay. I hope next time you guys drag queen will be here in Circuit Makati. I hope so. Let's manifest that. 7:30 class and you're here. Mama, log off. Now. Sana kapag Dragula ka, I want to. Yeah. Pero na-traumatize ako sa tattoo. Wow, never mind. Ang cute ng Koibi mo, parang shy type. Which Koibi? I don't have a boyfriend. Nag-break na kami ng jowa ko. Like last week. I don't have a boyfriend right now. Which one is this? Which one is this? Sino ba? Hindi talaga mahihain yung jowa ko dati. Current ex. Billy's 2 ml, you're mugging everyone. Slaying at midnight, yes. Of course. You're never gonna catch me ugly, babe. I'm not in Bacolod, girl. Ari ko subong sa Taguig. I'm in Taguig, girl. Where did you buy your necklace? Salad Day, my love. He used to be my ex-lover. I can't say he's my boyfriend, but we used to have a thing. He's the sweetest guy. I wish I chose him, honestly. But Salad Day, shout out to you. On Instagram. He gave me this because I really like it. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. My manager is editing the video now.
Hi guys! Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba?
Kaya mo ba na? Charis. PTRP na po ako dahil sa inyo. Okay. What the fuck did I do this time?
Oh my God.
Paid marketing. Did Gaga? Paid marketing. TikTok is so stupid. I'm gonna go to Instagram. Akala ko si Mikey Busto. Who the f***?
Si Kira.
Mami look so feminine kahit...
Hello,
sa may
Kira.
mustache. Who is that?
Si Akira.
Oh yeah. Period. Jowa na obsessed reveal me. We broke up. So, we might start dating other guys this April. But,
Maog daw ba yung balbas?
oo, ay
Totoo
hindi, ano
sabihin.
to, lace front dye. Wait lang. Patanggalin ko for you. Sports car, patugtugin. Perfect, go! Sports car is today. Sports car is today. I love that shit. You broke up. Yeah. Lippy from Anastasia. We're gonna move to Instagram. Lagi ako sinasabihan mag-live but I don't. Everybody's saying I should perform this. But hindi ko pa memorize. Kahapon ko lang talaga narinig to, guys. I'm so sorry. Ito yung outfit ko pala. Later na yung mayhem. Andito tayo sa Tate McRae. Asan yung Pikachu costume? Andun sa baba. How to comprehend ba? Use your brain. Use your mama use what your mama gave you. I feel like I should perform this song. I want a rich man though. You look so pretty and so much happier. Really? Char. I'm good. Super pretty mo in person, so starstruck nung one night only. When was this? Thank you though. Preparing for Holy Week, you're giving mapapako sa cruise. Why? Because everyone's jealous of me? Because I'm the son of God? Did you watch VVM's ad to cart content? Oh. What's your favorite color? Who is your pet peeve in season 3? I don't want to say it. I like your lips, thank you. You can have a bite if you want, if you're hot. Where do you perform live, ma? Everywhere. I'm gonna go to TikTok now. I mean to Instagram now because TikTok is being annoying. Go. See you there. Bring us.